Hello guys, today I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the screen rotation not working in this device. So, at first we need to open the quick panel over here, prolong it and find the auto rotate option. Disable and enable this option. If you don't see it here, tap this pen icon, here tap other control, and here in the display section you need to tap auto rotate here. So after the toggling this option, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't, you need to restart your phone to reset the sensors. So hold the power and volume down button and restart. After that, everything should be working fine. To test it, you need to tilt your phone to test the gyroscope and different applications. Everything should be working fine afterwards. And if it doesn't work after that, you need to contact the device support. Goodbye!